Kirchhoff's first law. Kirchhoff's first law is also known as junction law because it is applicable on junction. It is also known as current law because it deals with the current. And what does this law says? At any junction, the algebraic sum of all the current is 0. If this is a junction and from so many sides it is connected with the current, now the current which are coming in, I will assign them with the sign positive, and the current which are going out, I will assign them with the sign negative. So this is current is going in positive, this is current is going in is positive, and going out negative. And Kirchhoff's first law is at any junction, this is junction, the algebraic sum of all the current is 0. The algebraic sum of all these current is 0, and sum is 5 plus 4 minus 6 minus 3 is equal to 9 minus 9 and is equal to 0. So this is Kirchhoff's first law. At any junction, the algebraic sum of all the current is 0. The sum will always 0. Now from this we can say current approaching junction is equal to current leaving junction. Current approaching junction is equal to current leaving junction. This first law, with the help of this first law, we can find out electric current in different branches which are diverted from the junction. Let in this figure there are so many wires, and there are junction and branches. We want to find the value of current I on this wire. So with the help of Kirchhoff's first law, we will find the value of current I. This is junction A. The current approaching 3 ampere, the current approaching 2 ampere here. That is 5 ampere. And what should be total current? According to Kirchhoff's first law, the algebraic sum of all the current at any junction is 0. The total current should be 0. Then how much is current going out? First see only this junction. The current approaching 3 ampere, the current approaching here 3 ampere, and here current going out. And we already know the total sum is 0. The total current approaching 3 plus 2, 5 ampere. Then how much is the current going out? It is not written. You are supposed to written it. What will you write? The current approaching is 5 ampere. Therefore, current leaving is also 5 ampere. Because total sum is 0, now we can check 3 plus 2. Both current is approaching at junction. So we take sign of both current positive. 3 plus 2, 5 ampere. And current leaving junction is minus 5 ampere. 5 ampere minus 5. 5 minus 5, 0. Total current at this junction is 0. So from this junction to this junction, current is 5 ampere. Now come to junction B. This is approaching 5 ampere current. This is leaving 1 ampere current. How much should be this current? 5 has reached, 1 has gone out. So other branch gone out. We already know total has to be 0. Then this must be 4 ampere. Now this current reach this junction C. 4 has come from here, 2 has come from outside. So how much had total approach? 6 ampere. How much should go out? 6 ampere. 6 ampere. Then we reach to point D. This is point D. At D, this is coming 6 ampere. This is going out 3 ampere. Then what is the value of current I? And the value of current I, 6 minus 3 is equal to 3 ampere. So this is Kirchhoff first law. Now sometimes we must know the basics. On the basis of which fundamental law this rule is made? Answer: this is made on the basis of conservation of charge. First law is based on principle of conservation of charge. So this is first law. At any junction, the algebraic sum of all the current is 0. Sigma I is equal to 0. Summation of all the current is equal to 0.